Hi, I'm Shalina. I'm a mom of 5 and my children ranges of ages from 24 to 2 years old. I actually have my own business running because of the business that I run, and it's global, and hence why I became a Thermomix advisor at the same time too. Whatever I do, I love to share on the social media. One of the things that I always like to share to people is my lifestyle. So I share with people what do I cook for my family, what do I do for my family. So when I keep on share what I cook, and especially that time my last 5th born was only about less than 1 year old. So I was actually carrying her, baby wearing her, and I'm cooking. So with that, I got a lot of people actually ask me, is this Thermomix really good for a mother like them? So that's why I decided, hey, maybe I should become an advisor. In the beginning, when I jumped my feet in to become an advisor, I never thought that I could actually be going to houses, kitchens to kitchens, and to explore a lot of cooking activities with my customers. At first, it was just, okay, I sell to them and I do demo, I do unboxing, and that's it. But then, actually, because of the after-sales service, till today, me and my customers, we built a relationship. If there's a festive season coming, we will actually exchange recipes of different seasons like Christmas, Chinese New Year, Hari Raya, Deepavali, because I've got all races of customers. And till to date, I've been to more than 400 houses. I must say, it's a very memorable and sweet experience in every individual houses that I go to, because I not only see them, but I see their family, their extended family. They get Thermomix to bond with their family over cooking. And I also seen people from young age to the elderly. I've seen a grandmother of 80 years, 80 plus, actually managing Thermomix to cook. And that actually is the sweetest memory that I've gotten today with Thermomix. If people were to ask me, do they need to own Thermomix? And I must answer this. It's not a want, but it's a need. From my experience, Thermomix can actually help not only in cooking with ease, but varieties too. And it enables you to cook even when you are busy or even when you have clingy kids like me. And to top it all, you can be an overnight chef or baker for your family. And of course, cook with much love. And that one I promise. We just done our unboxing over on one of the Sunday, right?
Yes.
And Hakima actually approached me. She wanted a demo, but because she actually, sitting on the fence, nearly buying it already. So I asked her if she has any doubts that I can clear. Because to me, if you're already sitting on the fence, you know that you just want to get it. You just need a little push.
Just a little bit more.
So I say, why not? I come over to your home with your own Thermomix. I unbox your Thermomix and we demo on your Thermomix, and when I leave home, you can immediately use it, right?
Yeah, that's true.
So that's how I actually talked. I mean, we chat over the messages, WhatsApp, and then she was actually busy working also on that day.
Yeah, I was busy working.
Yeah, so I was actually replying to all her message, and I have big family, she has big family, so I can relate to all her questions, because this Thermomix, it looks small, but it's actually compact. It can fit a big family. It can actually fit maximum 8 people at least. She has small kids, and the kids also with my kids about the same age, and her helper is living.
Yes,
So she says she wants to ease her mother's job, taking care of her kids and cooking while she's away at work.
Yes,
right?
correct.
So I got to clear that, and she bought, and then after that we did our unboxing.
Yes, we did our unboxing
And
after I purchased it.
she and her mom keep on, and her aunt was on during the unboxing. They keep on, wow, so
Yeah,
fast,
really, wow,
so
really.
nice. Yeah. So we made lemonade,
Yeah, we made lemonade.
2 seconds.
Very fast, 2 seconds.
Oil-free honey chicken,
Yes.
14 minutes. Okay,
Teh
and
tarik.
teh tarik, 7 minutes. And then we made a stir-fried bihun.
Yes.
And for 15 minutes, and we are done.
We're
Okay,
done.
and then I show her the pre-clean.
Yeah, that was easy. I didn't have to think about it.
So now she got our smart kitchen as a helper.
Yes.
Right? So yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Hakima, for trusting me.
Thank you, Shalina. She's a great advisor.
Thank you.